Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Salazar and today we're going to go over my classroom management plan. So here's my agenda and which I'm going to cover today. This is for 7th and 8th grade history. Here are my procedures for the first day of school, procedures for students, procedures for the classroom, for instruction, and for teachers, and activity for the first day. So I'm going to do my best to cover all this in this presentation. The first day, I would welcome everyone. Hello. I would tell them that we're going to have an amazing year together. I have positive expectations from my students. And today on the first day, we will learn about procedures that will help us create an extremely efficient and orderly classroom. Procedures for arrival to class. So before they come to class, I will always be outside the door to greet them. Students will line up outside of the door in two separate lines. One line will be the boys' line and the other line will be the girls'. Once both lines are quiet, I will let the girl students go first and then the boys. Or it'll be vice versa, whichever line is the quietest, I'll let them in first. Once the student enters the classroom, they must be seated in their assigned seats and get their preparation materials such as pencils, notebooks, pens, and highlighters. So when the class begins, when the bell rings is a procedure to tell you that it's time to begin. In the beginning of class, the students will work on a warm-up that I will have on the board. I will give them a notebook and they will use that notebook to write their warm-ups. There should be no talking or moving during the warm-up. I will collect the notebook and grade their warm-ups for each student at the end of each week. Procedures for the instruction. I need all students to pay attention to me to get their full attention. There should be no talking while the teacher is talking. Please wait to be acknowledged by the teacher before you begin to speak. And do not begin any assignments until I say you guys can begin. Some procedures for the classroom. Respect others' personal space. Be respectful of everyone and everything. Stand and deliver using proper grammar. Do not use the internet unless you are instructed to do so. Allow others to finish speaking before you start speaking. For the end of the day class, I will inform you when it's time for class dismissal. Upon the dismissal, you should save your work in the designated folder, clean up your work area, and line up quietly in a straight line by the file cabinets. I will then give you permission to leave the classroom. Here are my behavior discipline procedures. The first offense will be a verbal warning. The second one will be a written warning and a consultation. The third one will be a call to your parents. And the fourth, it's an office referral. Here are the school rules and policies. All school rules listed throughout the campus and in my classroom are in full effect at all times. Attendance policy is that all tardiness will be recorded and reported to the office at the earliest convenience. Be prompt, people. So procedures for teachers. I would write my expectations out. I will prepare visual lessons for you, everyone, for all my students. Teach procedures, practice procedures, monitor and assist. Procedures and expectations will enhance your learning experience. And this is not a procedure, but I will give you my very best every day, same as I expect from you, my students, to return the favor as well. So here are the plans for the first day today. We're going to play a game called Lie to Me, or another way to say it is find the fib. So I will put students in groups of 4. The students have to tell 3 facts about their life, something that happened to them. 2 of them will be true and 1 of them will be a lie. The other students have to find out which one is a lie. All right, thank you so much.